Good morning, children. In our last class, we have completed about the different types of beaks of different birds. So, in this class, we will discuss about the feet and claws of different birds. So, let's see more about the different types of feet and claws of different birds. Feet and claws. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. They use their feet and claws to catch and eat food. They also use them to move and protect themselves from their enemies. As you know, children, that birds uses their beak to catch and eat food. Like beak, birds also use their feet and claws to catch and eat food. Not only to catch and eat food, they also use them to move and protect themselves from their enemies. So let's see the different types of feet and claws in different birds. First one is perching birds. Birds like sparrow, pigeon, and crows have three toes in front and one toe at the back. Children, you can see in this picture three toes in front and one toe is at the back. This helps them to hold the branches of tree firmly. These three toes in front and one toes at the back help them to hold the branch of a tree firmly or tightly. They can remain seated or sleep throughout the night on a branch. With the help of these toes, these birds can sleep throughout the night on a branch without falling. And this is called perching. And this is called perching. So, sparrow, pigeon, and crow's children are called perching bird because they have three toes in front and one at the back, which help them to sleep throughout the night on a branch without falling. Next one is your birds of prey. Birds of prey. Birds like eagle, hawk, and owls use their feet and claws to catch their prey. They have very strong, sharp claws called talons. They use their claws for tearing the flesh of their prey. See, in this picture, it is given, children, eagle, hawk, and owls use their feet to catch their prey. Prey means in Hindi it is sikar. So, sikari Pakshi, birds of prey means. These birds have very strong and sharp claws. Why you know? To tear their flesh. They use these claws for tearing the flesh. So, eagle, hawk, and owls, they are called birds of prey, and their claws are also called talons. Now, the next one is your climbing birds. Birds like woodpecker and parrots have four claws, two claws in upward and two claws in downwards direction. These type of claws help them to cling to and climb up branches of tree. See, children, here in this picture it is given two toes in front and two toes. This woodpecker and parrot have four claws, two claws in upward and two claws in downward direction. And this kind of claws help them to climb up branches of a tree. So they can easily climb in a tree. So these birds are called climbing birds. Now the next one is your swimming birds. Birds like ducks and swan have webbed feet. See, here it is given, children, in this picture, webbed feet. They have 3 toes in the front and 1 toes at the back. See, in this picture it is clearly showing 3 toes in front and 1 toes at the back. These 4 toes are all joined by a skin. See how these toes are jointed with each other by a skin. And this kind of feet is called webbed feet. These help them to swim in water. This kind of webbed feet help them to swim in water. So, ducks and swan children have webbed feet, and these webbed feet help them to swim in water. Next one is your scratching bird. Scratching or running birds. Birds like hens have sharp scratching claws. They scratch the ground for insect and grain. See children, here the picture of scratching. See the sharp scratching claws picture is given here. Running or scratching birds like chicken use their sharp horny claws to scratch the earth for seeds and worms. I'm sure you've seen hens scratching the soil, children, and wonder why. Now you can know why these birds means hens, why scratching the soil. You understand? They scratching the soil to search their food, means to search worms and seed from the soil. Now the second one is your wading birds. Birds like crane and herons have long legs with spread out toes. These help them to walk through the mud and shallow water to catch fish. Children, these toes keeps the feet from sinking in the soft mud. Here see children, here the picture of wading birds clothes given here. From this picture you can easily understand crane and herons have long legs. This long leg helps the feet from sinking in the soft mud, and these help them to walk through the mud and shallow water to catch fish. Now come to the canvas section. Here some questions are given, children. You try to find this answer from the book. The first one is, do all birds have the same types of beaks, feet and claws? List 3 uses of beaks for birds. List 3 uses of feet and claws for birds. Name the different kinds of beaks and 2 birds as example of each. Now the phone to learn. The fastest running bird is ostrich, but it cannot fly. An ostrich is also the fastest two-legged runner amidst all the animals on the earth. It is also the largest bird. As you know, children, ostrich is a flightless bird and it is the largest bird. It cannot fly. That's why ostrich is also called flightless bird. So children, here we completed different types of feet and claws of different birds. In our next class, we will discuss about the nest of birds. Hope you children, you all understand. Thank you.